Every single person watching this video knows what masturbation is. But have you ever stopped and wondered, who was the first human to ever do it? Think about it. There was no internet, no magazines, no awkward conversations, no older brother giving terrible advice. So how did the very first person figure it out? It sounds ridiculous until you realize nobody actually knows the answer. Humans have probably been doing it for hundreds of thousands of years, long before farming, cities, or even written language. In fact, scientists have observed the same behavior in chimpanzees, bonobos, dolphins, elephants, and dozens of other animals, which raises a strange possibility. Maybe nobody invented it at all. Maybe the very first humans simply discovered something by accident. Imagine scratching an itch, getting an unexpected reaction, and thinking, well, that was interesting. Curiosity has always been one of humanity's greatest strengths, and occasionally, its weirdest. The oldest written evidence comes from ancient Egypt over 4,000 years ago, where some myths even described gods creating life through self-pleasure. Ancient Greeks mentioned it. Romans joked about it. Across history, cultures argued over whether it was normal, sinful, healthy, or dangerous. But people never stopped doing it, which means the true first person left behind no name, no cave painting, and definitely no instruction manual. Their discovery was probably so ordinary that nobody thought it was worth remembering. Yet here we are, thousands of generations later, still asking the question. So who was the first person to masturbate? We'll never know. But somewhere in prehistory, one incredibly curious human accidentally made one of the most universally shared discoveries in human history. And somehow, that story disappeared forever.